Okay, so guys, there is this app that I found online, and I had to go and make my own research to make sure that the app is legit. So after my research, and I found out that a lot of people are saying that they have already withdrawn from the app. So I want to go to the app and know what the app is all about. Okay, so this is the app and I've already registered. So basically, if you look at the top of my screen, you notice that something is adding that is called easy coin, and on top of it is end zero okay, so I according to what the information I got online is that this app pays you to watch videos. Like if I scroll to another video now and I'm watching this video, you notice that my easy coin is increasing and it keeps on increasing. One thing I noticed that it increases, like things drops to you earn easy coins as you are watching the video for a certain period, and once the earnings stop, you can scroll to another video. Now they're saying tap to get the money, and here they said congrats, you get $0.3335. Lee is internal app currency. You will convert it to currency you like later. So click on get the coin. So you can see that my earnings have changed. This is what I've earned now, and I think if I exit this app and come back to here again, you notice that my end balance will be 0, because the one I've earned now will be added to my main balance. Okay, so let me move to another video, and you notice the easy coin is increasing. Okay, so this is how you go about it. Watch videos, scroll, watch videos, scroll, watch videos, scroll. So the beautiful thing about this is it's just like your normal videos on your TikTok that you normally watch. But the difference between TikTok and other apps and this is that this one pays you as you are watching the video. So this Lee is a coin, and you can withdraw this Lee to your Binance, to your exchange, and when you withdraw it, then you now convert it to maybe USDT or to any currency of your choice, and you sell it off and make your money. Let me know what you think about this app in the comment section, and I'm going to drop the link to this app in the comment section and also in the description of this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Peace out.